Hey, my lovely blossoms. Welcome back to my channel. What if in just 7 days, your face looked fresher, brighter, and more put together? Without spending any money. No expensive products, no complicated 10-step routine, no heavy overnight layers. Sounds unrealistic? I totally understand. It actually can happen. In this video, I'm sharing simple, free routines that can help improve acne, dark circles, dull skin, face tanning, blackheads, unwanted facial hair, and many more. Make sure you watch till the end, because I'll be sharing some amazing recipes that make your skin look brighter and healthier. Plus, a few easy facial exercises to lift and refresh your face. So if you're ready for a simple, realistic glow up, comment glow up below. So let's get started. Number 1, clear acne. Let's talk about something almost everyone deals with. Those unexpected breakouts that show up at the worst time. But don't worry, today, I'm showing you how to calm them down and care for your skin, step by step. Step 1. Find your acne type. Before treating acne, it's important to know what's causing it. Different areas of your face can tell different stories. Forehead acne often comes from hair products, dandruff, an oily scalp, or hairstyles that touch your forehead and block pores. My advice for you: keep your hair clean, avoid heavy hair products near your forehead, and wash your hair regularly. Cheek acne usually happens because of bacteria from makeup, poor skincare, dirty pillowcases, or your phone touching your face. Clean your phone often, change your pillowcase, and always remove makeup before sleeping. Chin, jawline, and neck acne is commonly linked to hormonal imbalance or stress. Manage stress, sleep properly, and avoid touching or picking these pimples. Step 2. DIY acne masks. Here are 2 simple masks you can try at home. 1. Turmeric plus honey plus yogurt mask. Mix 1 teaspoon honey, 1 teaspoon yogurt, and a tiny pinch of turmeric. Apply to a clean, dry face for 15 minutes, then rinse. You don't like turmeric because it can leave a yellow tint. You can try this next mask instead. Mix 1 tablespoon yogurt, 1 teaspoon neem powder, 1 teaspoon multani mitti, and a few drops of rose water. Apply evenly for 15 minutes, then rinse. This mask clears acne marks, soothes, and brightens your skin. Step 3. Quick hack for certain pimples. Sometimes a pimple shows up at the worst time. Press ice wrapped in a cloth on the pimple for 1 to 2 minutes to reduce redness. Or, take a small amount of the fresh aloe vera gel and dab it directly on your face. It soothes your skin. Avoid harsh remedies like toothpaste or lemon juice. They make skin worse. Number 2. Dark circles and eye bag fix. Okay, girlies, let's talk about dark circles and puffy eyes. If your under eyes always look tired or heavy, don't worry, because today we're going to fix that and make your eyes look fresh again. Step 1. Cold therapy. Take 1 cold spoon and gently place it under your eyes for about 1 to 2 minutes. The cold helps reduce puffiness and calm swelling. You can also use cold tea bags for a few minutes, which can help refresh the under eye area. Also remember that healthy habits matter. Try to sleep well, drink enough water, and give your eyes a break from screens whenever possible. Step 2. DIY coffee mask. Mix 1 tablespoon coffee, 1 tablespoon honey, and a little water until it forms a smooth paste. Gently apply it under your eyes and leave it on for a few minutes before rinsing. This simple mask helps reduce puffiness and dullness, leaving the under eye area brighter, smoother, refreshed, and naturally hydrated. Step 3. DIY gel eye mask. You've probably seen those expensive eye gels all over social media, but today I'll show you how to make one at home without spending a single dollar. Mix 1 tablespoon gelatin, 2 tablespoons warm water, 1 tablespoon coffee water, and 1/2 tablespoon ground coffee. Pour into a mold and refrigerate for 10 to 15 minutes until it sets. Then apply it under your eyes. If you don't have gelatin, then try next mask. Soak a cotton pad in cucumber juice, put it in the fridge, and once it's cold, place it under your eyes. This helps cool the skin and reduce puffiness. Number 3. Dull skin fix. If your skin looks tired, dry, or like it lost its natural glow, here are some simple things you can try using natural ingredients that are easily available in your kitchen. Step 1. Hydrating face masks. First, you can try a rice mask. Wash some rice, boil it, then blend it into a smooth paste. Add a little honey, mix well, and apply it on your face for a few minutes before rinsing. If you don't want to use rice, you can try another mask instead. Mix 1 tablespoon green tea, ½ tablespoon coffee, and 1 tablespoon yogurt. Mix well, and apply it on your face. It gives your skin a natural glow. Step 2. Rice water glow treatment. Rice water is great for refreshing dull skin. Soak some cucumber slices in rice water for 30 minutes and place them on your face for 15 to 20 minutes. This helps hydrate the skin and gives it a fresh, natural glow. Step 3. Banana peel glow trick. After eating a banana, gently rub the inside of the banana peel on your face for a minute. Banana peel contains nutrients and antioxidants that can help give the skin a soft, natural glow. Number 4. Face tan fix. If you're dealing with stubborn tan and uneven skin from all that sun exposure, don't worry. In just 3 simple steps, you can fix it. Step 1. DIY brightening mask. Start with a simple mask that helps bring your natural glow back. Take 2 tablespoons coffee, 2 tablespoons gram flour, and 1 tablespoon honey. Mix everything well and apply it evenly on your face. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Then wash it off gently. This will help your skin feel more fresh, smooth, and visibly brighter. If any ingredient doesn't suit your skin, you can always skip it and try another option. Step 2. Deep tan removal mask. This tan removal mask works really well for stubborn tan. Take 1 tablespoon turmeric and roast it slightly until the color turns light brown. Then let it cool. Add tomato pulp and a little honey. Mix well and apply it on your face. Leave it for 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse it off. This helps to reduce deeper tan and uneven skin tone, giving a cleaner and healthier look. Step 3. Prevent tan pro tip. If you really want to get rid of tan, you have to stop it from coming back. So before going outside, just cover your face a little. Use a wild brim hat, scarf, and sunglasses, and try to avoid direct sun as much as you can because your skin is too important to ignore. Number 5. Blackheads and Whitehead Fix. Alright, Blossoms, let's talk about how to remove blackheads and whiteheads. This is caused by congested pores and dead skin cells. So it's time to clear your pores and remove all that buildup from your skin and bring back that smooth, fresh glow. Step 1. Steam your face. The first rule of removing blackheads is steaming your face. You have to open up your pores to get all the gunk out. Boil some water and pour it into a bowl. Drape a towel over your head and gently ball cover your face over the steam for 5 to 7 minutes. This softens the dirt and oil inside your pores, making it much easier to clean. Step 2. DIY blackhead removal. Now it's time to remove the blackheads and deeply clean your pores. Start by exfoliating your skin. Take 1 tablespoon yogurt and 1 tablespoon coffee. Mix it well and gently massage it onto your face for about 1 minute. This works like a vacuum for your pores, pulling out dirt, oil, and dead skin, leaving your skin instantly fresher and cleaner. Rinse it off, and while your skin is still soft, apply a tightening mask. Take 1 egg white and 1 tablespoon honey. Whisk it well, and apply evenly on your face. Let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes. You'll feel your skin tightening and give you that clean glow. Step 3. Seal your pores. After deep cleaning your face, it's time to seal your pores. Start with an ice facial. Take a bowl of cold water with ice and gently dip your face in it for a few seconds at a time. Don't forget to take breathing breaks. This instantly tightens your skin and gives a fresh glow. After this, apply your toner. You can use rice water or rose water, whichever suits your skin best. Number 6. Facial hair removal. All right, Blossom. It's time to remove your facial hair, especially the one on your upper lip. First, put down your razor, because we're not here to deal with stubble. I'm going to show you how to remove your facial hair naturally and almost painlessly. Tip 1. 100-year-old facial hair trick. This is a 100-year-old remedy used to naturally remove facial hair. You'll need wheat flour, gram flour, a pinch of turmeric powder, some desi ghee, and rose water. Mix everything well and turn it into a soft dough. Now gently rub the dough onto your face, like this. It also leaves your skin feeling soft and smooth. Use it once a week, and you'll start noticing the difference. And if you don't like this one, don't worry. I have more recipes for you. Just use the one that works best for you. Tip 2. The Instant Facial Hair Mask. Girlies, if you want something quick and effective, this one is for you. Take 1 tablespoon wheat flour, 1 1/4 tablespoon wild turmeric, and 1 tablespoon sugar powder. Mix it well. Now take 1 tablespoon of this mixture. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of water and heat it slightly until it thickens. Let it cool just a little. Then apply it onto your face like this. Once it dries completely, remove it gently in the opposite direction. You'll feel the difference instantly. Tip 3. The DIY Peel-Off Mask. Girlies, this one is simple, but really effective. Take 1 tablespoon egg white and 1 tablespoon honey. Mix it well and apply it onto your face like this. Let it dry completely, then gently peel it off. It's help remove facial hair and leaves your skin feeling clean. Tip 4. The Smooth Finish Mask. This one is perfect if you want a clean, smooth finish. Take 1 tablespoon gram flour, 1 tablespoon turmeric, 2 to 3 tablespoons raw milk, and 1 tablespoon coconut oil. Mix everything well. Apply it all over your face like this. Once it dries, gently rub it off from your skin. It helps remove facial hair and leaves your skin feeling soft. Quick reminder. Always do a patch test before using any mask to avoid any skin reactions. Number 7, face workout. Finally, girlies, we've covered skincare, but now it's time to sculpt your face. If you want a cute nose, fuller lips, a sharp jawline, and a slimmer face, this part is for you. Nose slimming yoga. Girlies, if your nose feels a little uneven or slightly swollen, don't worry. Just try these simple nose yoga to enhance your natural look. First, gently lift the tip of your nose and push your lips forward. Hold for a few seconds, then relax. Place 1 index finger on the tip of your nose, and with the other hand, gently pinch the blank bridge while pressing the nostrils slightly downward to create resistance. Third, lightly tap the tip of your nose using your fingers. Lip plumping yoga girlies. Now let's work on naturally fuller-looking lips with a few simple exercises. First, use clean hands and gently press your lips together. Kan. Then lightly massage your lips while keeping them pressed, and repeat this movement. And second, push your lips forward, like giving a soft kiss. Hold for 5 to 10 seconds, then slowly relax. Repeat 10 to 15 times daily. Jawline sculpting. Yoga. Roses. If you want a sharper, more sculpted jawline, these exercises are for you. First, glide your fingers from your chin up toward your ears, like you're sculpting your face. Repeat slowly on both sides. Second, tilt your head slightly up and use your thumb to glide down along your jawline and neck in one smooth motion. Do this regularly for a more defined look over time. Cheek fat removal. Girlies, want a slimmer looking face and eliminate chubby cheeks? Try these 2 simple exercises. First, close your lips and press them around your tongue. Place your hands on the sides of your face. Lift your cheeks up. Hold, relax, and repeat. Second, close your lips gently and move them in a circle. 30 seconds clockwise, then 30 seconds the other way. See and do these exercises for the same time daily for best results. Number 8, eat your skincare. I know everyone on social media says the same thing. Eat clean, drink water. Eat healthy for glowing skin. Sounds boring, right? But honestly, it works. Your skin isn't just what you apply. It's what you feed your body. So let's make it simple and actually tasty. First, retinol carrot salad. A fresh, crunchy salad to nourish your skin from inside. To make, take 2 shaved carrots, olive oil, apple cider vinegar, lemon juice, salt, and pepper. Second, skin shots and glow drinks. Here are 2 powerful drinks that boost your skin naturally. First, ginger shot. Ginger, orange, lemon, turmeric, and black pepper, blended and taken as a shot. Secondly, for the detox juice, you need beetroot, carrot, apple, orange, ginger, and lemon. Put them into a juicer. Pour the juice into a glass. Mix well, and drink fresh in the morning on an empty stomach. Third, Fresh Fruit Glow Bowl. A naturally sweet mix that gives your skin vitamins and glow. Orange, berries, strawberries, kiwi, topped with a little honey. Fourth, Collagen Gummies. A fun and tasty way to boost collagen for your skin. Blend berries with orange juice and pomegranate juice. Strain it. Add gelatin until dissolved. Then chill until it turns into jelly. Enjoy it whenever you're craving something sweet or unhealthy. It's a guilt-free, skin-loving jelly. Fifth, Green Skin Salad. A light, refreshing salad for clear, healthy skin. Salad leaves, cucumber, cherry tomatoes, beans, cheese, dressed with olive oil, salt, and pepper. And trust me, I'll make it so yummy, you'll actually enjoy eating your skincare. That's it for today's video. See you in next one. Bye!